हेलो फ्रेंड्स, चलिए आज हम स्टार्ट करते हैं इंक्लूसिव एजुकेशन के ऊपर एक वीडियो लेक्चर. सो लेट्स बिगिन. What do you mean by inclusive education? Here is the meaning. Inclusive education is defined as a learning environment that promotes the full personal, academic, and professional development of all learners, irrespective of race, class, color, gender, disability, sexual preference, learning styles, and language. So this is the meaning. Next, what are the characteristics of inclusive education? Inclusive education means that all students attend and are welcomed by their neighborhood schools in age-appropriate regular classes and are supported to learn, contribute, and participate in all aspects of the life of the school. So this is the first characteristics. Now the second one, inclusive education is about how we develop and design our schools, classroom programs and activities so that all students learn and participate together. The next characteristic is inclusive education is about ensuring access to quality education for all students by effectively meeting their diverse needs in a way that is responsive, accepting, respectful, and supportive. Students participate in the education program in a common learning environment with support to diminish and remove barriers and obstacles that may lead to exclusion. The next characteristic is inclusive education is carried out in a common learning environment, that is, an educational setting where students from different backgrounds and with different abilities learn together in an inclusive environment. Common learning environments are used for the majority of the students. Regular instruction hours and may include classrooms, libraries, gym, performance theatres, music rooms, cafeterias, playgrounds, and the local community. A common learning environment is not a place where students with intellectual disabilities or other special needs learn in isolation from their peers. So, these were the characteristics. Now, we will learn about the principles of inclusive education. Inclusive education is based on 7 principles, and the principles are like this. Diversity enriches and strengthens all communities. All learners' different learning styles and achievements are equally valued, respected, and celebrated by society. All learners are enabled to fulfill their potential by taking into account individual requirements and needs. Support is guaranteed and fully resourced across the whole learning experience. All learners need friendship and support from people of their own age. All learners and young people are educated together as equals in their local communities. Inclusive education is incompatible with segregated provision both within and outside mainstream education. So that's all, students, for this video lecture. Hope you enjoyed the lecture. Thank you.